तुम्हें यहाँ पे जो सीक्वल स्क्रिप्ट में जो है ना, वो यहाँ पे तुम्हें काफी सारा कल रात को लॉजिक बनाया। तो ये बेटा क्या है? सेलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम ओडीएस अंडरस्कोर वाउचर टाइप डिटेल्स, right? Here you have two ones, which is FX stock and inactive. Is it clear? So in this particular view which we have made, this is the view which has been made. This view gives how exactly Tally finds whether something is an accounting allocation, something is only in the inventory. So what I will do here is I will run this. Okay, yeah, logic is like this. So now first logic, Rohit, is that case when FX stock is no and is active is yes. वह क्या हो सकता है? Then it's accounting. Is it clear? So order by voucher type movement description. So accounting, right? And this thing, so accounting, just wait a second, where company name is equal to EC2, right? So there are 24 such vouchers here, right? So these are the ones which go into the accounting. So these will go either into the balance sheet or into the profit and loss. Because you're asking me, na, कि can the revenue be negative? Is it clear, beta? Yes or no? Right. So sales, purchase, receipt, payment, journal, debit note, credit note, and contract. They will always hit your accounting applications. And the closing balance is going to be the opening balance, particular ledger belonging to this, into the net debit and the credit. This will give you the net balance sheet element. तो जो हम ये पूछते हैं ना कि ये बैलेंस शीट का एलिमेंट कैसे आया, जैसे मैंने ये पूछा आपसे, हाउ डज दिस बी कम by any date? Because I can have it by any date, right? Is it clear, beta? So this any date actually would mean is that for any ledger which belongs, just any voucher type movement which belongs to this, उसके जो भी डेबिट और क्रेडिट हुआ है प्लस द ओपनिंग बैलेंस उसका सम कर दो. दिस इज क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर? दिस आई विल मेक अनदर शॉर्ट वीडियो, इसमें डायनामिक बैलेंस शीट आ जाएगी ना. दैट्स हाउ इन्वेंटरी आल्सो कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. बिकॉज सेल्स परचेज की जो हुई और डेबिट नोट और क्रेडिट नोट हुई है बेटा, वो पूरी की पूरी इसमें जो है इन्वेंट्री के साथ भी आ जाएगी, उसकी क्वांटिटी, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक वैल्यू. No, but the other thing which I'm not even understand is if the inventory movement is taking place, why does it not affect only the sales account and the purchase accounts? Why with an inventory movement does it affect? So if I look at the P&L, I have the opening stock here. This closing stock is there, right? Sales accounts I will do, purchase accounts I will do. But this will also come in current assets. I'll have to check that. Then when I have got in, so there are some which are inventory movements which impact the ledger. So these are the ones which impact the ledger. तब ये तुम्हारी master batch movement, it will come, right? And these are the ones which will not impact the ledger, physical stock and general stock. इसकी सारों की condition इधर है. Clear? And your order one is here. So basically your order one is anything. यहाँ पे मैंने case statement डाल दिया. ये है बेटा. If fx stock is equal to yes and in is an active is no, and the part index order parent is equal to zero, then it's inventory with ledger. When fx stock is equal to no, this thing order parent is greater than zero, then order. Is it clear? That means बेटा अगर मेरा fx stock is here equal to no, is active is equal to no और इसमें order है, then it is order. सेल्स ऑर्डर, परचेज ऑर्डर या जो भी होगा, जॉब वर्क इन ऑर्डर एंड ऑल. क्लियर है बेटा कि नहीं है? क्योंकि the thing is that in your particular case, I think they're asking you to find out the inventory values dynamically. So you have to know this portion कि ये accounting voucher कैसे आता है. Am I correct or not correct?